Ready. We're gonna work some fighting combination drills. Turn face side. Ready. Ready. Fighting stance now. What I want you to do is step. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Work those drills around. Ready, go. And 3. Go, go. Right over here, right over here. 1 to the face. 2 and 3. Okay? Go. Good. Keep moving around both hands. Good. Good. Go. Go. Okay. Stop. So from here now, same thing. 1, 2, 3, and a kick. Ready? Then kicks this up. Ready? Go. Good. Go. Good. Keep your hands up now. Go. Kicks in. Both legs hit it. Go. Good. Take it face. Go. One more time. Good. Stop. We want from here. Fighting stance. We want from here. 1. And back. 2. Ready? Go. Get in there. Go. Good. Move around. Good. Set me up. Boom. Set me up and do it. Go. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Go. Set me up and do it. Good. Go. Go. Keep going. Good. Keep going. Keep going. And time. Going from here. 1, 2. Just a backward strike. Roundhouse kick. Ready? Go. 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 Keep going. Go. Both sides. Go. Go. Stop. Good. Stop from here. We want 1, 2, 3, 4. So stone, face, face. Ready? Go. 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 Hit it. Go. One back. Go. This way. Go. 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 Good. And line up. And see. Ready. Ready. Teach you some light drills, combination technique. Ready.